Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw. Welcome back sa lahat ng Pisces. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Miss Mo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, Miss Mo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today, bago siya, we will tap into that third party energy. Okay, so take note lang, okay? Na ang third party ay hindi laging romantic. Okay? So, third party energy is anything or anyone outside the relationship or external energy na nakaka-apekto sa connection mo at ng person mo. So, pwedeng kaibigan siya, pwedeng kamag-anak, kapamilya, katrabaho, pwedeng trabaho din mismo, negosyo, career, ACADS, okay? Pero, yeah, pwede rin someone else. Kaya, alamin natin. Tingnan natin kung ano masasagap ko sa collective. And just a reminder that this is a collective reading, so it may or may not resonate. Kapag hindi nag-resonate, just leave it behind. It means hindi ko nasagap yung energy ninyo. And abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang reading. Kaya, subscribe na para updated kayo sa aking reading dito lang mismo. Okay? So, bubunot ako ng dalawang cards each for yung current situation ng relationship, the influence or the third party energy, and how it affects the relationship. Sige. At the moment, the Magician and Knight of Cups. So, ito yung current energy sa relationship niyo. Sa influence, oh, Eight of Wands. Okay. And how it affects the relationship, Eight of Pentacles and Six of Pentacles. Okay. So, before ka tuloy, check muna natin. Is this romantic? Let's find out. Or not? Baka platonic lang ito. Kapamilya ba? Ay. Eh, so, habang binabasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Pisces na sumusuporta sa akin channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sana sa mga bago, supportahan nyo rin para mag-game yung channel ko at pag-read pa ako ng marami in the future. So, subscribe na, like this video, and share nyo na sa mga kilala ng Pisces na nangangailangan ng guidance from the universe. Okay? And engage na rin kayo sa comment section. Is this something romantic? Oh, yes. It's a big yes. Alright. Hmm. Okay. So first, there's a strong energy of um, Gemini and Virgo. Yes. So pwede yun yung um, zodiac sign ng person nyo, but doesn't have to. Pwedeng iba din. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na ito. Okay. So si Magician. Okay. So at the moment, okay, this is someone, yung person ninyo is someone that you really manifested. Okay? And dumating siya sa life ninyo. So, um, there was ex in-express your intention sa inyo, di ba? And nagkaroon ng next level sa relationship ninyo. So, if you're dating, so nag-commit kayo, if you're committed, you were uh, engaged, or whatever ano yung konsepto nyo na next level. Kasi pwedeng, di ba, hindi naman engaged pero wala, naging kayo, you moving together, or naging kayo, and ayun, parang may plan kayo to uh, do a project together, ganun, gets. So, anyway, so, basta nagkaroon ng level up sa connection. However, okay, there's a third party energy na, ayun. So, your person got attracted, yun na lang, with someone else. And itong si third party energy is parang someone new talaga eh. Bago lang siya, bago-bago lang, na nagbigay ng excitement dun sa person ninyo. Okay, so nakilala niyo to, tapos parang nagkaroon ng mga exciting moments na mga kaganapan na alam mo yun, parang from 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 what the two of you are having, parang, oops, something new bago to parang ganyan. So, na na ano yung curiosity ng person ninyo. So, kaya parang na-attract siya dito sa new person, not because of love, but because of excitement. Okay? And how it's affecting now, uh, the relationship is with the Eight of Pentacles and the Six of Pentacles. So, ayan, so naapektuhan yung commitment ng person sa inyo, yung dedication niya, yung initial dedication niya kasi nag-level up kayo, di ba? So, ngayon, nagkakaroon ng, ah, naapektuhan yung commitment and dedication as well as yung reciprocation. Kasi Six of Pentacles is a card of reciprocation, Eight of Pentacles is a card of commitment and dedication. So, affected siya. Kasi ito yung set na naapektuhan yung commitment ng tao and dedication niya and reciprocation ng feelings towards sa inyo because of this third party energy. So, okay. Ayan. Sige nga, tingnan pa natin. Hmm. Alright. Queen of Cups and the Three of Coins. Okay. Six of Swords and Seven of Coins. Oh, and Five of Coins. And oh, the Tower. Okay. Okay, I'm just reading the energy Ito na yung lumabas sa card. So, okay. So because of this third party situation, okay. So at the moment, di ba, you manifest, nag-develop yung relationship. Yung ito naman, yung Queen of Cups naman na nakikita dito na energy is um, sa'yo pa rin naman. I mean, kung kung may pipiliin man yung tao na to, ikaw, kasi ikaw yung mahal niya, hindi niya naman niya mahal tong person na to eh. Again, na-attract siya dun sa tao, not because of love, but because of excitement. And alam mo yun, yung typical attraction, pwedeng physical aspect of it. So, dito sa Three of Coins here, nakikita din dito na um, you're really planning something together, di ba? Like planning a life together. Yun yung at the moment, kung yung sa inyo lang. So, parang nagpaplano kayo ng life together. There's so much devotion, commitment sa inyo. However, na-apektuhan nga siya because of this energy. But at the moment, um, nangyari siya, pero ayaw na rin ng person mo. Gets? Parang, it's just a one-time thing. Kasi dito sa Six of Swords, gusto na niya na mag-move on and leave that situation. Okay? And as shown here by the Seven of Cups, there's a reflection. So, napagtanto niya na mali yung ginawa niya. It's just a short thing, even a one-time thing, na nag-reflect siya and realize or she realized, he or she realized na mali yung ginawa niya and gusto niya iwan na yung situation na yun. However, because of what happened, dahil at naapektuhan nga yung commitment devotion na yun, maybe you found out or maybe sasabihin niya sa inyo, i-reveal niya sa inyo, and it will cause a sudden change in the dynamics of the relationship. Okay, because of the Tower moment. May sudden shift. May magbabago, syempre. Di ba? Because if you found out about it, di ba, you will feel, ang mafe-feel mo first is you felt betrayed. If inamin naman sa'yo or kinuwento pero sabi tapos na and wala na, parang ganun pa rin yung effect, di ba? Parang magbabago yung paningin mo dun sa situation and what you have as which is quite normal lang naman. And as shown here with the Five of Coins, there will be some, alam mo yun, parang pause muna, detach, magkakaroon ng detachment, pwedeng physically, emotionally, di ba? And alam mo yun, magbabago din yung feelings, desires, emotions. But hindi naman kaya magtapos doon. Kaya kailangan nyo upuan, pag-usapan ng maayos, and yeah, decide what needs to be done moving forward. Okay? So sana nakatulong. If if this reading resonates, comment na below. Pero before ko i-close, alamin natin ano ba ang advice ni Universe sa inyo. Okay? Mm. Okay. So, advice from the universe is, set lang natin. Lang. Sige. Yan. Advice from the universe, sweet doing nothing. Time to dance with the flow. Okay, so parang ang sinasabi dito ni Universe is just trust the process, di ba? Kasi nga, may decision kayo na kailangan gawin. Alam kong may changes na magbabago, but allow things to unfold more. Parang ganun. So, wala kang kailangan, hindi mo kailangan masyadong parang, alam mo yun, gumawa ng anything, ng eksena, ng drama, whatsoever. Just do what needs to be done, pag-usapan ang kailangan pag-usapan, and decide ano yung kailangang action na kailangan gawin. Okay? So, abangan nyo na lang yung susunod ko pang love reading. And, yan. Sana nakatulong. Kita-kits na lang. Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Chico Moreno. Or in short, mismo. Ingat.